The one thing I've noticed at the Specialized Dentistry in New Jersey is the quality of the team members. Hygienists are excellently trained, but here they are documenting and checking for aspects during their cleanings that I didn't think hygienists even knew to look for. When I'm seeing in chart notes furcations noted, and most people don't even know what a furcation is. When I'm seeing terminology used that typically doctors use, not hygienists use, it was really impressive, as well as leads to the most appropriate referrals, the most appropriate treatment plans, the most appropriate care ultimately. So that was really exciting to me, and that makes all of our jobs so much easier. It makes your experiences that much better and easier and friendlier.